Himanshu from Bukovina State Medical University, Chernivtsi, Ukraine. I am a foreign medical student studying currently in second year. I am also part of Moksh coaching family. The best feature I think about Moksh is its online platform, which provides all the students to access Indian faculty or teachers through an online medium by online classes. Second thing, what I like about its LMS system, which provides us with various recorded videos of various topics, which we can study for our classes over here in medical school also. The best faculty I feel is Dr. Ankit Khandelwal. He is very much practical, and he tries to make topics much simpler, which is a very best thing about him. Next, what I think, like many people ask, are you able to correlate, or are you able to correlate your medical school studies with your coaching studies? For sure, since let us take my example only. I'm in second year. I'm studying anatomy, biochemistry, then histology. These subjects are these subjects are also taught in our coaching program and in the medical school as well. So I think it's a good option for every for every medical student to be part of this our Moksh family. Thank you.